Some people say that, okay, you're telling the football is haram now, for example. The kids, if they don't watch football, they're going to be out in the shisha cafes, they're going to be out on the streets. Isn't football better than engaging in these haram activities?
They're going to do after and before the game anyways. Plus, you're talking about something might happen and it might stop them from this and it might not stop them from it. It's based on speculation. We know these haram things are present in watching football. So you want me to fall into something we know it's haram based on something that might happen, that this might preoccupy them from doing haram. And they even watch the football whilst having shisha. They watch it in a shisha cafe. The truth is, you can't justify it and say it's haram. Sorry, to say it's halal and it's permissible because of this speculation that you created, and Allah alam if it's the case. Might be the case for 1 or 2, 3 people. But look at all the harms that are coming in it. 𝗕𝗲𝗁 the animosity and the hates that happen between people based on this. 𝗕𝗲𝘁𝗀𝘁 it blocks you from the remembrance of Allah. 𝗕𝗀𝗵𝗃𝗵 that we mentioned. 𝗕𝗲𝗵 and all of the other things that we mentioned. 𝗓𝗏 وَالْبُغْضُ لِغَيْرِ اللَّهِ all of that which we mentioned. All of those are مَعْلُومٌ يَقِينًا. We know certainty those things are present. Okay? Like in this which you are mentioning here, Allahu A'lam, it's ظني, speculation. It could possibly stop them from it, and it probably not.